Friends, let us start with the most important topic, that is deductions. Let me start with the first thing, that is section 80C. Just now in the concluded session, I explained the point about insurance policies and the premium amount should not exceed more than 10% of the sum assured policy, sum assured value of the policy. Now, in this context, 80C, I think all of you are aware of what is 80C because it's a very popular section. At least for the salaried class people, there is no other deduction. The major deduction that they will have is the 80C. What is 80C? See, government need to provide certain things to the citizens when citizens are paying the taxes, like providing shelter to all, providing medical help for all. In case if somebody die in a bomb blast, it is the government which has to take care of the family, right? But the government says this country has got 1 crore, that is a 120 crores population. It may not be possible for us to give you these kind of protections. But one thing we will do, we will allow you to claim a deduction in case if you can take care of all these things. Apart from that, kindly give loans to the government, your PPF, your NSCs. What are all these things? These are all royal way of government taking a loan from the general public. Now, to tell you few important things, like what is being covered by 80C, which are going to be there in your examination paper. Just, I am not a critic of government, please don't take it in that way. How to make my students to remember these provisions, I am only doing this criticism, so that at least with this you will remember. See, Chakravarti, if he takes a life insurance policy on his life, such a premium will be eligible for claiming the deduction against his gross total income. Why? If something happens to Chakravarti, the family will be on the road, then it will be the society's responsibility to take care of that particular family. So, we clap Chakravarti in case if he takes a insurance policy, because if something happens to Chakravarti, Chakravarti's family is not on the road because insurance people will give the claim. Right. Then Chakravarti has got children. If Chakravarti has got a children, Chakravarti is a very good taxpayer. Just like in foreign country, government should run good educational institutions and provide Chakravarti's children education. But government don't have such a investment in so many schools whereby all the citizens' daughters and sons can go and study. So government says, you please pay the tuition fees of your children and make them educated so that they will be also be useful to the society. And for doing this meharbani, we will give you that tuition fees paid for the children will be eligible for claiming the exemption, this particular deduction. Chakravarti, you please take a housing loan and repay the principal promptly and sincerely, so that that principal which becomes a due also be eligible for your 80C. Similarly, your NSC investments. Similarly, 5-year fixed deposit tax saving deposits. Like that, there are several things, but these are the few things which will be the qualifying amounts for ATC. Now, just like in the earlier discussion, even here also, if Chakravarti takes an insurance policy, government says that it is an investment oriented policy in case if the premium what Chakravarti is paying on that insurance policy is more than 20% of the sum assured value. So now they have reduced that 20% to 10% and says that the moment the premium is in excess of the 10% of the sum assured value of the policy, such amount will not be eligible for this.